Hello, how are you all? Today we are going to do this worksheet. Write from N to S. Okay, this is capital N, small n, O, capital O, small o, P, capital P, small p, Q, capital Q, small q, R, capital R, small r, S, capital S, small s. Then match the pictures with the beginning letters. This is N. N. Nest. Paper. Pencil. O. Orange. R. Rainbow. S. Star. And Q. Queen. Okay, so these are the alphabets: capital N, small n, capital O, small o, N, O, O, capital P, small p, 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 capital Q, small q, 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 capital R, small r, 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 capital S, small s, S, S. So these are the alphabets and the phonics. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Take care and goodbye.